Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cronos the New Dawn crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on Xbox console. So here follow the fixes. The first fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Step 1, make sure your Xbox is up to date. Go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear the Cronos the New Dawn's cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Cronos the New Dawn game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. But make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage. If you don't find this option, then skip this. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general, network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and restart your console. After following all these 4 steps, now launch Cronos the New Dawn and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account that you want to remove and select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch Cronos the New Dawn and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to run the Cronos the New Dawn game from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Cronos the New Dawn in the search bar and click on it, then click on launch game and check. Fix 5, change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Enter 888 for primary DNS and enter 8844 for secondary DNS. Now relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS type 1111 and in secondary DNS type 1001 and then relaunch the game and check. Last solution is to reinstall Cronos the New Dawn. If nothing seems to work, then last solution is to simply uninstall Cronos the New Dawn from your Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you will be able to fix the crashes at startup, not launching, won't launch, freezing problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, black screen issue on Xbox console for the game Cronos the New Dawn. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.